Ignou MA in Hindu Studies. Prepare with clarity. Perform with confidence. Book sparkles. Pursuing your MA in Hindu Studies from Ignou? Facing difficulty in understanding traditional texts, philosophies, or cultural contexts? Let EncycloHub guide your preparation with our previous year solved papers, designed to help you study smarter and succeed in your exams. Blue Book, what you'll get. White heavy checkmark solved papers from the last 5 to 7 years. White heavy checkmark detailed and well-structured answers written in a student-friendly format. White heavy checkmark covers key topics: Vedic literature, Hindu philosophy, ethics, ritual practices, sacred texts, and more. White heavy checkmark based on Ignou's updated syllabus and exam pattern. Light bulb, why trust EncycloHub? Small blue diamond content curated by experts in Hindu Studies. Small blue diamond 100% syllabus coverage with accurate references. Small blue diamond instant PDF delivery. Small blue diamond affordable pricing. Small blue diamond loved by Ignou students all over India. Whether you're revising before exams or learning how to write effective answers, our solved papers will be your ultimate study support. Mobile phone with Arrow, order now on WhatsApp at your contact number. Or DM us on Instagram at EncycloHub with the message, MA Hindu Studies Solved Papers. Learn deeply. Answer wisely. Score confidently. Only with EncycloHub, your companion for Ignou exam success.